Do you know there is a function on Sony ZVE10 called Clear Image Zoom? In this video, I want to show you how to use it, what's the problem with it, and how to solve the problem. So now let's get started. Basically, Clear Image Zoom allows you to have extra zoom range. So if you're using a prime lens, you can turn it into a zoom lens. And if you are already using a zoom lens, then you can have even more extra zoom range. Let's go to your camera menu, tab 2, page 6 out of 9. You will see zoom range. Press enter and you can see optical zoom only, clear image zoom, and then digital zoom. So if you choose optical zoom only, then you are not using this function at all. It's basically doing what your lens originally do. So you will get the best quality out of your lens. If you choose the second one, clear image zoom, you will have more zoom range, but the image quality will drop a little depending on how much you zoom in. The more you zoom in, the more quality loss there will be. And remember to use the JPEG only because RAW files don't support clear image zoom. So you have to go to your menu, tab 1, just page 1, and choose file format, choose JPEG. And if you choose the last one, digital zoom, you will suffer from some significant quality loss. So I would not recommend using this last function. One fatal problem with clear image zoom is that you cannot choose where you want to focus. So take this footage as an example. Normally, when I am not using any clear image zoom, I can choose where I want to focus by just using my finger to touch the screen. So now I am touching this little cat, so it's focusing on the cat. And when I touch the lens, it turns to focus on the lens. Pretty simple. But when I use clear image zoom function, no matter how I touch the screen, I just can't focus on what I want because the camera will decide where to focus. And in most cases, it will just focus on the center of the frame. So as you can see, this little cat is sitting at the outer side of the frame, so it just won't be in focus. And this happens no matter you are taking a photo or a video. The second problem you might face is sometimes when you are using clear image zoom for video, you might find the video quality very bad. That's probably because you are using 1080p instead of 4K. In my previous videos, I did some tests and I found that when the lighting is good, 4K and 1080 aren't very different. But there is a significant quality difference when you use clear image zoom, even when the lighting is good. The solution is pretty simple. Just remember two things. First, keep the subject at the center of the frame. And second, use 4K instead of 1080p when shooting a video with clear image zoom. Actually, some of my previous videos were shot with a prime lens using clear image zoom. This way, I can take advantage of the large aperture and the great image quality of the prime lens, but also enjoy the convenience of a zoom lens. Alright, I hope this video provides some value to you. If it does, please give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.